Krisykatters, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. If you're regular, welcome back. I have decided that it's wig season, so we shall be trying out another wig and another palette. This Revolution palette. In previous video, I bought it for these two colors, but we'll be using this color. Nothing too wild. Makeup will be actually pretty simple today, so it's technically all about the wig. So yeah, so without further ado, without me rambling more than often, which is, you know, not a surprise if you're a regular here, don't forget to subscribe, do the notification bell, and if you like. Without further ado, let's get into the video. I already said that. Okay, back, of course, we're ready to go. Eyelids are primed, face is moisturized. If you see my bangs, don't worry about my peacock. It's just there. Alrighty, so we're getting into the Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, and I guess these are just all their favorite colors or shades. Don't quote me on that, I'm just guessing. So there's a fair bit of actual more shimmers than anything else in this palette. I don't know if you noticed in that quick little look, but we'll re-look. As you can see, there's quite a few, and actually it probably takes up the majority of the palette, which is fine. I mean, hey, at what was it, $4? I could care less. Anywho, so we're going to, like I said, this look is going to be very minimal, very easy. It's going to take two colors. Wow, I know. But anyway, stop looking at me. And we're going to, this is going to be our main color, but I'm trying to decide if I want this or this as the base color, and I'm probably gonna go with this for the simple fact that it's a matte shade. This is more shimmer, part of the shimmer collection. And look here, there's nothing wrong with using that as a base color. I just don't want to use it as a base color. But if that's your preference, I mean, if that's your goal or you want to do that, I mean, you certainly can. I mean, it's not a bad choice. Might, you know what? Now that I'm looking at it, it might change my mind. Yeah, I'm not in, I don't actually want that color. Okay, so shimmer it will be. So, you know, stuff change. Stuff happens. You know, that's life. Okay, anyway, good old eyeshadow brush, and we're going to sweep this color all over the lid, seeing as, like I said, it's only going to be a 2 eyeshadow look. So I also have a feeling that this video is going to be quite short after I do all the editing and stuff like that. So I apologize in advance for that, you know, if anybody actually watches this video. Our blending brush, and we're going to go into that hot pink shade right next door. So and we're gonna just do the usual V and crease color. Okay, well, I went a little heavy-handed into that, so when blending is just not working for you, excuse my noise, get a little wedge and, you know, sweep it in there and lighten up the color. All right, after doing all of that, I have done the majority of my face. I mean, standard stuff. I did my eyeliner, did the brows, did my foundation, concealer, our usual stuff with the usual products. Nothing new there. So I'm still liking this Rimmel Wonderlux Volume Mascara from the Rimmel box that I did in a previous video where you get all this stuff in a box. I did get it from Amazon. I shall re-link that link in the description below, and I will also link the video. Okay, great. We are trying these bad boys from Ioni's. These are the Natural Light Doll Lashes, and I'm still liking this little black liner glue by Ioni as well. You know, it just boggles the mind that it's that good. So we're gonna do that as soon as I can get into the box. When you got nails, kind of gets hard, so I use my thingies to get in here. All right. So they come encased. I like Ioni's packaging. It might be a somewhat cheap brand, but they always do it nicely. And these are the lashes. So all right. Well, the lash itself is pretty neat. Pretty neat. Who says that? Okay. Apparently I do. So, it's a good length. Doesn't overpower my eyeball, so pretty pleased. I'm going to do the other lash and I'll be back. All right, lashes are on. We're going to go a little old school and use Physicians Formula. Sorry. Blushing Peach. Multicolored little, what do you call this thing? Blush. It does have a little brush and mirror inside, but I never use it. I don't like everybody's brushes, so yeah. But good for people who are on the go. We're going in with Blossom Glow, Wet n Wild. Look at that. I mean, isn't that a gorge? Very pigmented. So, and we're going to use a little fan brush. And we're just going to, well, I'm going to highlight the places I like to highlight. All right. Last but not least, as always, lips. We're going to use a brown liner. And just really, for this look, we're just going to darken the lip line up here and then really shade in the corners down here and stop midway. Guess we're gonna give this kind of ombre kind of ish look. I'm going to use the NYX soft matte lip cream in Athens. For me, this is not a good lipstick by itself, but when you know, match it with some things, it does pretty darn good. And I just strategically want it here, and so I just pat it in. And I really want the middle defined, so we'll put a little extra cream in the middle. See? Ta-da! Alrighty. Well, we're done with the makeup, so let's put on our hair. All right, guys, here's the final look. Here's our hair of the day. I like wigs with bangs because I wear bangs naturally, because I have this huge ass forehead, as we see all the time in the video, because I'm constantly using it for a background. So now I'm trying short and a different color. And I have not naturally had my hair short since, oh my gosh, early 2000s. So yeah, it's been a minute for short hair for me. Yeah. I am actually liking this color. The style, this style of wig, I'm just pleasantly surprised. And I'm actually loving how this makeup is working with the wig as well as the lashes. You know, I was expecting maybe these lashes, because they're a little bit more curve, to be kissing my bangs, but actually I'm having no problem. What I'm having a problem with is hairs of the wig won't sit where it's supposed to sit. Hence why I'm picking at it, because it's in my view. Anywho, but yeah, I'm loving, guys. I'm rambling, but I'm loving. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Until the next time, guys. Bye.